Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Professor Beire is a distinguished academic researcher and professor in the Department of Chemistry at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. He specializes in the field of organic chemistry and catalysis, dedicating his career to highly complex, innovative synthetic methodologies. He leads the group of alchemists. His research lab uniquely. His key research areas include HTDA reactions, Mayer-Schuster rearrangements, stereo-defined polycyclic systems, etc. Apart from his laboratory research and responsibilities, he is also SATHI advisor, PhD supervision. Sir, we are highly honored to have you here, sir. Please join me in giving me a warm welcome.
Beeraiah@iitm.ac. This is my email ID. Okay, so you can contact me. I think some of you are going for a project also, right? So I know who is in my lab. 2 students, you. And who else? Okay, good. So already you were going to my lab. Did you talk to my students? Okay, good, nice. Okay, so doesn't matter what I do because it's not connected to you. So we work on some alkyne chemistry. You guys know alkynes? What is that alkyne? Carbon-carbon triple bond, not triple bond. Triple bond, there are many triple bonds. Carbon-carbon triple bond is alkyne. Okay, so that's what our research area. So we utilize them as a building blocks. So you can find out more details on our website. Okay, because that's really not relevant to this today's lecture. So what I will be teaching you today is on the green chemistry aspects. So how many of you know the green chemistry? Have you heard about the green chemistry principles, green chemistry, or sustainable development goals? Anything? Keep quiet and respond. Okay, so silence is very, very important. So have you heard green chemistry? In your all of you are like +1 to +2 students, right? Yeah, that doesn't matter because you still have a lot of time to think about the green chemistry. But it's good to know what is green chemistry, what is actually trying to do. Okay, what people are trying to take help of this and what they are trying to do with this and how it originates. So those kind of details I am going to give, and it's very, very important topic that one should know. And you are actually, I'm telling, it's good that you are learning at +1 level. I have learned only in my during my PhD. Okay, so really, but for your generation it's required. So everywhere you people are rushing and you say that it's a fast generation, right? So you should learn things also in very quickly. It's not only that doing things, but learning things is also very, very important. Okay, so I will give more details about that. So there are some textbooks. I think I can leave this presentation if you want. Okay, if anybody wants to copy or anything, you can take. There is nothing conventional material here. Okay, but doesn't matter. See, this is what it is. Just now I asked you people how much you know, and the same question I will ask usually to my MSc students also, because this is a course for MSc students. I teach them every year in this last semester only. So when I ask how many of you know, hardly out of 65 students, hardly 5-6 students will raise hands. Even at the MSc level, a lot of students don't know about this green chemistry things. And not only that, here, and there is a journal which has conducted some study about 5 years back, okay, about the green chemistry, how much students know at different levels across the globe. Okay, and you can see that the numbers, only less than 1% of pages in any textbooks mention about green chemistry. Until unless you go for a specialized green chemistry book, in the general chemistry books you don't hear anything about the green chemistry. Okay, and lot of books doesn't even include. So that's understand. So we cannot blame the students. When nothing is in coming from the teacher or from the textbook, there is a source to learn, right? So this is just says, but it's very, very important. So it covers a lot of interesting topics, okay? It may be looking like more of research, okay? But actually it's not about the research. It's as simple as when you are leaving the room, turning off the light. As simple as that. Green chemistry talks about that. Okay? It's nothing to like, oh, it may be industry related, some hi-fi materials, hi-fi research. No. When you are leaving the room, turn off the lights. When you just save some water. If some water is leaking somewhere, try to close the taps. All comes under the green chemistry. Though we are talking under the like green chemistry headline, but it's all about, if you go a little bit ahead, generally, sustainable development goals. Okay, so this is also part of that. It contributes a lot to the sustainable development, SDGs you learn, okay? So note down if you don't, and you can check it also. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn. I will give you how the green chemistry originates and why only the green chemistry, why not green physics, green maths, green biology, there are many, green engineering. Okay, so why it is so special about the chemistry? So I am a chemistry teacher doesn't mean that I'm highlighting the chemistry. You just go and check it. You don't find the green term with any other subjects. Only you find with the chemistry. Which means chemistry has some special role, right, in achieving the sustainable development goals. Okay, so that's why it got that attention. Okay, yeah, this is important. Why only green? Just now, your teacher, he is from physics, right? He was talking about electromagnetic radiation, something. He said rainbow, plenty of colors are there. But why the scientists or researchers or whoever it is have chosen only green color? What is so special about the green color? Very general term. Nothing about the chemistry, okay? What is so special about green? Green. Plants. Can you go a little bit broader? Yeah, whatever. I think you people are much better than our MSc students. You people are really responding. Yeah, that's what. In terms of that. Actually, green represents the nature. Okay, that's very, what you said, plants, all this. Yeah, that's okay. But green represents the nature. See, now, you see, whenever you see the greenness around the campus or when you go outside, you feel very pleasant, right? Happy. And you see the dry fields, dry trees, you feel automatically discouraged. Somehow you are nowhere connected to that. You are not responsible for that, but you feel that somehow the weather is not good, the climate situation is not good, right? So the green indicates the nature. So when you talk about green chemistry, that whatever you learn under green chemistry talks mostly about the environment. Okay, how to preserve the environment. Okay, so a simple connection. Green. Okay, so there are many good things about the greenness. So, but all of them will be included, and so why the people have chosen green. So, just to give a positive opinion in the first impression itself, first time itself, you just give a positive impression. You don't know what is green chemistry principle, right? But when you say green or something positive, when you see the something red, see the something danger, right? Obviously, you don't know what is the danger, how it works, right? But still, you sense that in the beginning itself. So that's what the green color, actually the green indicates. It's a very pleasant and positive approach. So, okay. So, just before going to the green chemistry, because we have only 2 hours, so I have just quickly rush through a few things. So, why are you people here? Say, I am from Telangana. He could not pronounce my hometown, that's okay. Okay, Telangana, some village I born. Okay, after studying something, okay, and I came here. And if I want to go for my hometown, I have to travel like 12 hours by train, bus, all those things. You people also came from home, right? So how many days you are here? 40 days. Leaving your parents is a summer. Generally you are supposed to take a vacation and enjoy, right? So why are you here? What is the purpose? Huh? Why you people, your parents sent here? Why are you sitting in the classroom, or why are you studying +1 or +2? A bigger picture, not just limited to your exams or anything, yeah, generally. Why? See, your parents may be teachers, assume, and they want you to make like engineers or doctors or this one. Why? Very good. So it's all, maybe it is there, right? That's okay. So it's all about whatever you do, whether you or me, anything. Okay, your parents, anybody wants to just get a growth, a positive growth in life. Okay, what is that positive growth? How do you define it? So somebody may say that I need more money, somebody may say I have more properties, somebody say more knowledge. Okay, whatever it is. Different people have different opinions, different priorities. But when there is a situation, in the classroom we have 30 students and 30 people have 30 desires. Okay, different thing, opinion. But we have a situation at a time where all of them will be fulfilled. Then all of you will be happy, right? It doesn't matter. Otherwise, if there are only limited options, hey, we have only money to give. Only few of you will be happy, not everyone. Somebody will say, sir, I wanted to learn some good things, but I am only getting money, so I am not happy. Right? So which means it's not a happy situation. But when there is a situation when everybody gets what they want, then everybody is happy. When everybody is happy, there is nothing, no scarcity, nothing, no problems at all, right? So that is what is called sustainable society, sustainable development. Okay, it doesn't matter. You just don't evaluate what it is, good, bad. Let it be something good, because whatever you say good may be bad for somebody else, right? So you just don't evaluate, analyze. But if somebody gets what they want under any situation, and that's what we call as a sustainable society, and that also not only that, and that there are some few things. It should be forever. You wish something, you will get. And it should be forever. And it's not only for you, and the other forms of life also should be the same situation. It's not that if you are happy, then it's not going to, you are not going to preserve the environment. You should preserve the plants, the sea creatures, other lives also is very important. Then only the balanced things will be there, right? So once you achieve all those things, and enough for all forever, okay? So when that is what called sustainable society and sustainable growth.